One very important component of this course is your professional development activities. As you can see right here, you must do at least 2 professional development activities throughout the semester. If you click on the professional development assignment, you will see some examples of things that you can do in order to achieve that goal. The first option is to do online webinars. There's the Precision Nutrition webinars, the Human Kinetics webinars, and the ACSM webinars. You can do any of those. This one has several, 8 or so on that website. This one has a lot on the website that you can choose from. If you choose to do these, clearly you would not need an additional signature on your professional development documentation page, which I will show you in a minute. Option 2 is setting an appointment and meeting with someone from Career Services. There is a form that they would need to complete that said that you went to one of their workshops. Further, if you click on this link here to the calendar of Career Services, there are several lectures offered throughout the semester that you can attend. And finally, right now we have at least 2 research studies going on with professors. Both Dr. Kaliwa and Dr. Dietrich are looking for subjects for their research studies. If you would like to be involved in their research, you can click on one of these 2 emails. Further, we'll have other opportunities for research as the semester goes on, and I will be sure to let you know about those. Going back to the website, the Moodle site, you're going to submit your professional development here, just like you would for any other assignment on Moodle. And the documentation that you need to submit is this Word document here. Because there are 2 professional development activities, you'll see that there are 2 proof of attendance for professional development activities. You'll have to answer 1 thing you learned and 1 question you had at each of the professional development sites. If you do a webinar, clearly you would not need to have a signature, but the other 2 do require signatures. Throughout the semester, I will continue to update the professional development opportunities on this professional development opportunities link. There's a biomechanics webinar from ACSM. This is the list of the 2 webinars that are listed on the assignment sheet: Dr. Dietrich study, Career Services calendar, and the foam rolling post-activation potentiation study, which is done by Dr. Smith and one of his co-workers. So if you want to be involved in any of those, you just click on that information and then you can attend those things, and then be sure to turn it in on the professional development assignment right here. Good luck on that. Whatever you do, do not procrastinate, because once you get to the end of the semester, there are not many opportunities for you. This is due on the date noted on the syllabus and not any later. Please make sure you continue to do this assignment throughout the course of the semester. Good luck.